Hello guys, welcome back to another train, and today we're at Tipton. Look what we have coming out, Advantage West Coast 390. Wow, Three 114 on the Advantage West Coast service for London to the Glasgow Central, running about 43 minutes late. That was not good. And it was City of Manchester, that unit. And let's see what else should arrive to pass by here at Tipton today. Passing through now is a duo of London Passamare Class D50s. Back set on the Ball 132 Birmingham New Street by London Passamare Class D50. Oh, just on its own. This is the faster one then. What am I going to say? The ball out of the Birmingham New Street, London Preston Railway to 35257, I think that number was for London Preston Railway. That was the number. Turning up now is the Westmoreland Railway service, the 2020, I think it's the 2026 service. The 2026 Westmoreland Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall via Birmingham New Street via Westmoreland Railway D50 at 7:30. Yo, yes. Get one of these three cut 7:30s. What number can this be? 7:30. 017. I will film the show when it leaves. There goes now the 2026 Western Railway 7:30 service to Walsall via Birmingham New Street and Cambridge Parkway. Next up that is Samuel and Dudley, Smethwick Golden Bridge, Smethwick Wall Street, Birmingham New Street, Dudderton, Aston, Whitton, Paybar, Hampstead, Thames, Chocolate, Bascott Stadium and Walsall. So there's 7:30, nice to catch that. Coming up now is the Western Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall to Wolverhampton, by our Westmoreland Railway. Class 350, I assume. Oh, I might be expecting. This is 7:30 again. Here's the 350. 350. Oh, the 108. On London. There it goes, I'll film it when it leaves. There goes now the Western Railway service to Wolverhampton. What time is it? It's the 2029 service to Wolverhampton. For the KSD in Wolverhampton, this is 5108. Passing through now to Westmoreland Railway Class 196, running from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury via Wolverhampton and Telford Central, by Westmoreland Railway Class 196. Look at extremely fast because the local just left. Shrewsbury! 196, 105 from Birmingham District to Shrewsbury, West Midlands Railway, Class 196. Passing through now is the transport files 158, running from Aberystwyth. Aberystwyth Falls at Holyhead. I think it's Aberystwyth to Birmingham International, running about Aberystwyth to International, running about 23 minutes late. The previous 196 was running 16 minutes late, 16 and a half.
I handed it away, passed it to Georgia and passed it back. Right back, put the order cards, and then went over and was like,
okay. 158 830 from Aberystwyth to Birmingham International Transport for Wales. Turning up now to West Midlands Railway 350 service from Wolverhampton to Walsall.
West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton.
The 2149 West Midlands Railway service from Walsall to Wolverhampton by a 350. $350 244 Banana London. London doesn't know class from Walsall to Wolverhampton by 5244 from when it leaves. There is now the London Bus Railway Class 50 service 244 after the London Bus the West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton, calling it Kersley and Wolverhampton. Passing through now is a Class 321. Oh, is it a 52? 321. Look at this 321 coming past. Wow, 40 round the back, couldn't tell at the front, but there's a special train out, didn't it? It wasn't expected to come past there, it was meant to go via Bescott. That was going from Moss End Down Yard to Birmingham International. Got diverted along here and I got to see it. So there's a Class 321 248 on the back. Couldn't tell at the front, but there's a 321 from Moss End Down Yard to Birmingham International. Class 321. Passing through now to the Avanti Bus Coast 390 Pendolino, running 13 minutes late from London Euston to Crewe via Wolverhampton and Stafford. Lady Godiva, I think that was Lady Godiva, Avanti 390 Pendolino. I missed the number then. That was Lady Godiva, Avanti was Sketch 390. Works out for London Euston to Crewe, Avanti Pendolino. Turning up now is the West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall via Birmingham Industry and Cambridge Parkway, or by a West Midlands Railway Class DVD? Is this DVD? London. DVD 409. This is running about 9.5 minutes late due to a held up in Wolverhampton somewhere. I shall film this train when it leaves. Spooky bike time. There is now the West Midlands Railway service to Wolverhampton. Is that the 2136 service? Banana Walsall. Next up for that is Sandford, Dudley Port. There's the next up for that one. Passing through now is a cross-country Voyager. 1 Victor 9-4 from Manchester Piccadilly to Reading via Birmingham New Street and Coventry. That's not doing Reading, that's off the Birmingham New Street. It looks like they've cancelled it to Reading, so that's doing not Reading, that's doing Manchester Piccadilly to Birmingham New Street cross country. They cancelled it to Reading due to, I think, because of the issue earlier on the railway. Passing through now is a Transport for Wales Class 158, running 13 minutes late from Birmingham International to Manchester Piccadilly. That's on its return to Manchester Piccadilly. I've seen one fly by 8:30 earlier, and there it goes to Manchester Piccadilly. Not sure where it goes via, but there's a Transport for Wales 158. Passing through now is our final train in the video. It's a London Western Railway Class C50, working the service from Birmingham New Street to Liverpool Arm Street, via Stafford. By London Western Railway Class C50. For the London Western Railway says from Education to Liverpool Arm Street, London Western Railway. Bye folks, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My next one will be Birmingham Snow Hill on the Chiltern Main Line. Where you see plenty of services from Chiltern Railways, West Midlands Railway, and that's it. So until my next film at Birmingham Snow Hill, I'll catch you all later folks. Bye folks.